Hello everyone, welcome to this challenge. We're gonna test your C# skills with a task. Your goal is to create an application that takes a number from the user and then prints the corresponding month name. Make sure your application can handle different scenarios, like when the user enters invalid input or a number that is out of range. It should handle these cases without crashing. This challenge will check your understanding of user input, validation, and using conditional statements in C#. It's a great way to practice your coding skills and ensure your application handles various scenarios correctly. Okay, pause the video, take on this challenge, and come back when you're done. Good luck. Okay, if you're finding this challenge difficult, don't worry. It's completely normal. Just keep practicing and you'll get better over time. Now let's do it together and see what we can achieve. Based on the question, the application needs to obtain a number from the user. So we'll begin by requesting the user to input a number between 1 and 12. Following that, in order to provide the corresponding month name as output, the application expects the user to enter a number. Therefore, it's important to make sure the input is a valid number. If the input is not valid, the application should display an error message and prompt the user to enter a valid number. To achieve this, we can utilize the try-parse method, which allows us to determine if the input can be successfully parsed into a number. First, we'll declare an int variable. Next, we'll use an if statement to verify if the input can be successfully parsed. If the conversion is successful, the converted value will be assigned to the number variable, and the code block inside the if statement will be executed. In case the conversion fails, the code block inside the else statement will be executed. Here, let's display a message to guide the user to enter a valid number. Okay, now in the if block, we need to verify whether the input lies within the expected range of 1 to 12, which corresponds to the month of the year. To verify this number, we can use an if-else statement, because as we mentioned in the previous lecture, if we only have a few cases or complex logical or comparison conditions, if-else statements might be more appropriate. Here, let's say number greater than or equals to 1 and number less than or equals to 12. If the expression inside the nested if statement evaluates to false, let's display a message guiding the user to input a number between 1 and 12. Now, to determine the month name based on the number variable, we can use either the if statement or the switch statement. In this case, Using the switch statement is a better option because the switch statement is suitable when there are multiple fixed and distinct values to compare against. And in this application we have 12 fixed values from 1 to 12. As you can see, the switch statement simplifies the code, making it more readable and maintainable. Alright, each case corresponds to a specific month number. We can assign the corresponding month name to a variable and display it to the user. In order to achieve this, let's begin by declaring a string variable. Then, in each case, we can assign the corresponding month name to this variable. After that, let's display the month name variable in the terminal. Now, let's run the application to test it out. First, let's say John. Okay, we can see the proper message displayed. Let's test it out again. This time let's say 20. Again, the proper message being displayed. As you may notice, displaying a proper message is crucial, as it helps users understand the expected input format, leading to a better user experience. Now, let's perform a final test of the application using an appropriate number. As you can see, we get the expected result. Okay, done. See you in the next lecture.